Welcome back to Tagda Raho. My name is Aakash Nair. I'm the master trainer. So we get a lot of people asking us a question that says, how long does it take for somebody to master the Gada? Honestly, I cannot put a number on that saying 3 weeks or 3 months or 6 months or 3 years. It's not set in stone. Now, it depends a lot on how you're structuring your training, right? So first step, I would say when you're starting your practice, like I always say, start by spending enough time on your fundamentals. The reason why it's so important is that once your fundamentals are set, then it's much easier for you to build up from that. Imagine for a building, you need to set up a strong foundation. If the foundation is shaking, the building's going to be wobbly, it's going to topple and fall. Not a good thing, right? So it's the same concept that I want you to keep in your mind when you're setting up your practice. Spend your time on your basics, don't rush it. The beauty about that is, once your foundations are good, once you set your basics right, then it's a lot more easier for you to progress, right? Also, consistency of training. Try to make sure you're spending at least 3, 4, 5 days a week for your training. That doesn't mean doing every single thing every single day. Even if you're training 5 times a week, make sure on different days you focus on different types of movement mechanics. And by that way, if you follow that, you can cover multiple patterns and multiple methods within a week's time. And stack that over a period of days. That will give you a lot of benefit. So consistency is key. So if you would ask me, absolute beginner trains for, let's say, 3 to 4 times a week. Within a month, you start seeing a lot of progress happening. And it's always more the merrier when it comes to your foundational training. So I would say if you're training consistently, every month you'll start seeing a lot of progress in your techniques. Again, this is given that you're practicing the movements correctly and you have some sort of structure and rhythm to your training. So I would say give it anything from 6 months to a year and you will be very proficient with the Gada. So like I said, consistency is key. Keep practicing with proper foundation and proper technique. You'll start seeing a lot of results. All right. I hope that clarifies your question. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da.